is cause number 2022-7517 in the interest of Nevaeh and Heaven Brown. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Please unmute yourselves.
Yes.
Is it okay? Are you on the Brown case, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir? How about the other phone?
That's another case, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Yes. My name is Beyonce Holly, and I am the mother of Nevaeh Brown and Heaven Brown.
And for the state,
Andrea Perard.
court will note that the a non-custodial parent, Cameron Brown, is not present. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your
Yes.
Honor.
Okay, and we have service on him on October 19th, 2020 at 12:04 p.m. at 6767 Bennington Street, apartment 134 in Houston, Harris County, Texas.
I believe our service may be on him on May 4th, Your Honor. That may be the mother's.
On May 4th, you say?
No, I'm sorry. I apologize. It is 10/19.
Okay, October 19th, okay. And he has not filed an answer, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And what are we doing today?
The state had filed an original petition in suit affecting the parent-child relationship with two AOPs for the two children, Heaven and Nevaeh. My understanding is that Ms. Holly has indicated that the second child, Heaven, the youngest child, is not Mr. Brown's, although he did sign an AOP, and she is asking to challenge the AOP as to that child. And just for the court's information, we did confirm that Mr. Brown is currently in Harris County Jail.
Okay, this is regarding which child, Nevaeh or Heaven?
I believe it's Heaven. Is that correct, Ms. Holly?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reset date, Ms. Perard?
June 14th, Your Honor.
All right, mother's challenge to the AOP regarding Heaven is granted. DNA testing is ordered in case it's reset to June 14th, 2021. Anything further?
Nothing further as to that case, Your Honor. May she be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Ms. Holly, you can exit out of this meeting and go back to the other one, and they will finish that order for you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, this is cause number 2019-66710 in the interest of Belay Seals. All parties in this matter, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationships with the child.
Alexia Seals for Bailey Seals.
And for the state?
Andrea Perard.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Tyrone Dwayne Williams Jr.
Yes, sir.
All right. And the return of service would indicate that he was served on personally on November 5th, 2019 at 9:04 a.m. at 6535 Gagnon Road, Unit 2233852 in San Antonio, Bexar County, Texas. And he's not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Gerard?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, I believe there should also be to the court a copy of the DNA test results.
Okay, I also have a notice of court date sent to him of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, which was delivered on at 11:41 on March 5th, 2021. Further, the court will note that the DNA test report would indicate that the alleged father, Tyrone Williams, is not included as the biological father of the tested child. Bailey Seals, the child is subject to this suit. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state would call Miss Seals. Ma'am, in regards to the child's last name, you're asking to keep it as Seals, is that correct?
Yes.
And in regards to conservatorship, you have no objection to being named as joint managing conservator, with you designating the residence with a geographic restriction to Harris and contiguous counties. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Williams is currently incarcerated. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
But we have been able to determine that according to the TDCJ website, he is supposed to be released on April 19th of 2021. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And once he is released, you have no objection to a standard possession order being entered in this case as well. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are asking, since he is going to be released in such a short period of time, to go ahead and set child support and medical support, but not begin that until June 1 of 2021, and to use a minimum wage presumption in using those calculations, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And how is this child covered by insurance?
Medicaid.
We're going to order you to maintain that government medical assistance, and we'll be requesting that Mr. Williams reimburse the state at $57 beginning June 1st of 2021. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
And giving him credit for the cost of that, his child support will be set at $216 beginning June 1st of 2021. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
In regards to any requests for retroactive support, we're not actively seeking it, but even at the time period we would have asked for it. He was incarcerated, therefore having no income at that time. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And in regards to the non-disclosure finding, you have signed an affidavit asking us to remove that, so there is no non-disclosure in this court order. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That concludes the order, Your Honor. I pass my witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.